This is the Smuggler HC handlebar bag. It's 1.6 liters and the dimensions are 8 inches by 4 inches. It attaches with 2 rubber straps and a head tube strap for extra security. Some features are we have side pockets, an extra large zipper for easy access. On the inside we have a key clip and an extra pocket. We have gear loops on the front for lights or for your sunglasses, and it has this reflective black material. This is our Smuggler HC Large. It has a 2.4 liter capacity. It's 10 inches long with a 4-inch diameter. There are multiple ways to pack it. You have the side opening for loading, and then once snacks, cameras, whatever you're putting in are loaded, you can access the main compartment easily on the bike with the zipper. Some features of this bag are the easy one-handed side access on both sides. We have reflective material inside of this front pocket. We have a key loop. We also have these straps for gear. You can put in like a jacket or a jersey or some arm warmers or an extra bottle. It comes with 2 straps that attach on the top and also a head tube strap for extra security. One of the main features of the Smuggler HC Large is that it's insulated on the inside. So you can carry anything hot, anything cold. Also for me, I like to take this bike packing and I'll put my electronics in it so the batteries don't die. Great bike packing bag, also great just commuter to go socialize. You can bring a 6-pack of kombucha. Here we have the Smuggler HC Large, and when you open it, it comes with 2 9-inch rubber gear straps, and each gear strap has a tail keeper, and before you install, you want to take those tail keepers off. Next, we have 4 attachment loops as options, but there's 2 straps. We have to figure out which straps we want to use. So I like to just size it up, and the 2 outer ones on this bike will work great. I like to take the gear loop with the buckle sticking up. We want to reattach the tail keepers. And so to visualize this, we'll be putting the strap through here, through the buckle, and folding over itself on the outside. So when I attach the tail keeper, I want to put the extra slot on the outside. Now we're ready to attach the bag. Since this handlebar is pretty narrow, I'm going to slam the buckles all the way to the attachment loops and pull up the gear and pull up the tail keepers. Holding it in place with my left arm and looping the strap through the buckle with my other. Secure the rubber strap with the buckle. Gonna pull the tail keeper closer to the loose end of the rubber strap. Repeat on the other side. If you have extra cables in the front, you don't have to put it on super tight. The rubber straps, even if a little bit loose, will hold secure. And obviously, if you do that, it will move around a little. So to eliminate that motion, we want to use the head tube strap. I want to hold the loop end while I pull the other end for slack. You can thread the loop through. This is a pretty large head tube, so we're going to utilize a lot of this length here. You can wrap it around here. I just wrap it around this bottom part because this is where it lines up with the bag. Then that eliminates the extra rattling. And I like to just pull it tight